How to use Perplexity AI on Chrome. Want the smoothest experience with Perplexity AI? Here's how to use it seamlessly on Chrome. Just open a new tab on Chrome and go to perplexity.ai. Log in if needed. From here, you can start asking questions or exploring trending topics instantly. If you want quicker access, bookmark the site by clicking the star in the address bar. You can also pin it to your shortcuts on the new tab page. What's the first thing you searched on Perplexity? Share it with us in the comments below. Chrome extensions like Dark Reader or productivity tools can work well alongside Perplexity to boost your workflow. And that's how you can use Perplexity AI on Chrome. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.